Welcome all. So today's topic is couple cases for diagnosis and case studies. Now, this is a topic that I had to make because there are a lot of queries coming regarding the couple case diagnosis and the diagnosis which are related with love, relationships, marriages. Okay. Now, many of you are getting confused. I don't know why, because I've been saying this on YouTube all the time whenever I make a video regarding the case study or the diagnosis, that whenever there is a couple case or wherever there is anything related to love, romance, marriages, planet Venus, anything to do with partnerships, whether it is your work partnership, your marriage partnership, your relation partnership, anything where the word partnership comes or where the word couple comes, we are talking about two people here. Or sometimes in partnership, we are talking about three or four people also when it comes to business, jobs, and careers, isn't it? So it's very clear that when you're talking about a couple, there are two people involved, isn't it? So the diagnosis will also happen for those two people. Even if there is a problem, listen to this very carefully because I'm making a special video only on this topic. It's not a general video about any case study. We are talking about the case study regarding couples and married people and love relation issues. So now if you tell me, for example, that your girlfriend has left you and gone, and you are not understanding a reason, and you think that you're assuming that it is some black magic or there is some negative force. So now you're going for a diagnosis for her. Okay, now you will think there is only one diagnosis needed. Why? Because the problem is with my girlfriend. But that's not the way it is. This is not the way the diagnosis will happen. Your diagnosis is also important along with her. Please understand this very carefully. Okay, we are not interested just like that to add on our burden and add on the fees by saying that your diagnosis is also needed. No, it's not like that. We are not interested in that zone. Okay, there is a practical and a logical reason behind it that I'm going to tell you right now. When you talk about a couple case, even if there is a reason, whatever may be the reason that she's left you or he has left you, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, whatever it is, okay, with due respect. So anyone who's left or anyone who's having a problem, it is not always there. It is never like this, and the problem is because of one person. Okay, what kind of relation you had with him or her, what kind of the horoscope compatibilities you people had, what are those planets? I'm talking in astrological language a bit, but in a very simple one. What were the planets, or what are the planets which are in your favor individually or in her favor individually, and then which are the planets for that matter which are favoring both of you together? All this needs to be seen. So if there's a third party involved also in this, when I say the third party, if there is a person who's liking your girlfriend or liking your boyfriend, so if it's a triangle also happening out here in love cases, and in your marriage, extramarital affairs happening or anything like this, because I keep on getting cases regarding this, even then we have to see the couple case diagnosis. Even then we have to see both the people diagnosis who are involved in a relationship with each other. When I say involved in a relationship, it can be a marriage, it can be a normal relationship, a committed love relationship, all of that. It can be a live-in relationship as well. Okay, the criteria is not that. The criteria is whenever there is a couple case, even your diagnosis will happen. Okay, so never tell the team that why Guru Didi said that only one diagnosis will happen and the problem is with my girlfriend, why are you asking for my diagnosis also? It is mandatory here that whenever there's a couple case, your diagnosis will also happen. Otherwise, if you think, if it is not making sense to you, it is okay, but then do not contact us for any couple case diagnosis, because this is our protocol and this comes with years of experience, because I have come across many people in the past who never used to feel the need that okay, fine, let me do the diagnosis, let me get the diagnosis done for my girlfriend, and if there is something that is needed from my diagnosis, then I will go ahead. Please go ahead with one diagnosis first. So in my starting days, what I used to do is, when I had started my work, I used to listen, okay, fine, let me do one person's diagnosis. But every time I used to waste my time and energy coming back and contacting that same person and saying that, listen, your diagnosis is also needed. I am not able to complete the diagnosis only with one of the case studies of your girlfriend, because there's certain things and many things which are linked to you in her life also, or with her life. So it is an interconnection. It's a link between you and your partner which needs to be seen together. Even if we miss one link, or if we miss one, I would say, the hint or the sign or the symptom of what is going on, the whole diagnosis meaning can change. Okay, so be very, very careful and be very, very alert and educated about the fact that when I say that in the couple cases, 2 case studies will happen. The moment the word couple will come, and if my team writes to you that if it is a couple case, 2 diagnoses are done, you should know the answer as to why after this video of mine. Okay, and do not waste team's time saying that why this, that. This is the reason I'm making this video. Okay, so that all your whys and hows get completed and get an answer to this after this video. Okay, so this is about it. Next week I'll come up with another topic. Till then, goodbye.